Hello and welcome to another tutorial from Vaultuz. This one's about creating a location. Locations are important because you need to track your work. You can create one from the quick menu. Here's the Add Location button. From the quick menu inside the navigation pane, or from the widget in the dashboard. Click on the Add plus icon, start typing in the name of the location you want, for example Buckingham Palace. Give a name of the location, and then add any notes you want here. Now this location is available for you to create occurrences. An occurrence is when you're going to be presenting your work at a particular location, or you need to have an event, for example, at that location. This is automatically created for you when you create an event, but here we'll just do a week in March as an example. During this event, I'm going to present a couple of my pieces to the King, so I'm going to select those two. You can also add ancillaries. Please see the tutorial on ancillaries. You can add partners, additional photos, files, and other notes. You can edit this location's name, or you can delete it completely. Okay, thanks very much. I think that wraps it up for locations. See you in the next tutorial.